Hello, believe you are doing well. This is Henry, your humble tutor. I believe you are enjoying this festive season, and it's our prayer that God will see us through the new year, and then our learners will also come out successful, will also move to other stages of life. And that's what we are praying and meet our learners. God bless you. Keep watching Sir Henry's class and keep on subscribing. We thank you for the previous subscribers. We have about 90, and we say we thank you. Yes. God richly bless you for subscribing. Continue to subscribe, share, like our videos. If you have any comments, just go to the comment section box, give it down there, and then we will also see you through. Today we are going to continue with the review of Bece 2022 mathematics. We know that WAEC will soon release our results so that we continue or we further the academic calendar and then move on to our preferred senior high schools or the second cycle schools. I wish my learners all the best. My candidates, I wish you all the best. It's our prayer that the best of the best is what we are expecting, and then that's what you get in the name of Jesus. Now we are going to continue with the previous video. I think we have solutions to question 1 and 2. So we'll continue. We'll look at 3, 4. There's 3, 4, and probably 5 and 6 will also come in. So let's take question 3. So with question 3a, learners were given this question. So given the relation L, so L is equal to 2 brackets n squared minus n squared all over 4 brackets n plus n. Yes, we're given this question. I say we should simplify L. We are asked to simplify L. So we're looking at, we need to get a simplified form of L. So what do we do? L is equal to, looking at the difference of 2 squared. Difference of 2 squared state that we add the 2 terms in one bracket, we subtract in the other bracket. 4 brackets n plus n. Like terms, so we cross them out. Now L is equal to 2 n minus n all over 4 brackets n plus n. Here you don't expand. You don't expand. So because this, when you expand this, you write the difference of 2 squared, you get a similar term to it. You don't expand before. You don't open up brackets. So 2 into this of 1 into 4, 2. 1 is half n and n plus n. This one is cancel, 2 is that. So we can expand this to be n minus n all over 2. Okay. Now let's go to II so we should find L. So we should find L when m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. So wherever we see m, the value is 2, n is 3. So let's simplify L. So we have L to be equal to m minus n all over 2. Those are we have. Now m is 2 minus n is 3 all over 2. 2 minus 3, that is negative 1 over 2. So we have negative half or negative 0.5. Okay. Okay, now let's move straight to B. B says we should solve 4 over 3x is equal to 7 minus 3 over x. Now I have this. Define the LCM. LCM of 3x and x is 3x. So 3x and multiply by each of the terms. 4 over 3x is equal to 3x times 7 minus 3x times 3 over x. We cancel out common terms. X, 3x plus 3x. So you have 4 is equal to 3x times 7 is 21x minus negative 3 times 3 times 3 is 9. We want x, so you move any term that does not contain x to the other side. So I'll take 9 out, so 4 plus 9 is equal to 21x. 4 plus 9 is 13 is equal to 21x. I divide by 21, meaning x is equal to 13 over 21. Maybe okay. So Henry's class, learning go to your doorstep. So let's move straight to C. C says a salesman gets a commission of 5.5%. So this one is a question of commission, and that is 5.5% of the value of items he sells. The salesman sells 12 books at 25 per book, 3 scientific calculators at 50 cedis each, and 8 packets of big pens at 50 cedis per packet. Calculate the salesman commission. Now what does commission says? To find a commission, commission is given by the percentage of the commission given. Yes, all over total percentage, which is 100 times the total sales. Commission is the incentive given to a worker. So an added value given to a worker. And you can get that by finding the percentage of the total sales made by that worker or that sales agent. Now here the total sales is not known, but we're giving a preamble. It says this salesman sells 12 textbooks. 12 textbooks at 25 per book. So one of the book is 25. So we need to find the price. Okay, so we need to find the price of 12 textbooks at 25. So the price of 12 textbooks at 25. So it's 12 times 25. 12 times 25 is 300. The next one is 3 scientific calculators at 50 each. So we need 3 calcs at 50 cedis. That will also be 3 times 50, and that is 150. And then the last one is 8 packets of big pen, 50 cedis each. So 8 pens at 50 cedis. Got 8 times 50, and that is giving us 400 cedis. So we need to find the total sales. So now these are the sales made by the salesman. He sold 12 textbooks. One is 25, he had 300 cedis. 3 calculators, one is 50, he had 150 cedis. 8 pens, one is 50, one pack, and then he had 400. So total sales is addition of the sales made on textbook, calculator, and pen. That is 300 plus 150 plus 400. Summing this up, we are going to get 850 grams. So commission, percentage of the commission, that is 5.5% of the total sales made by the man. So 5.5 is the same as 5.5% over 100 times total sale, that is 850. Simplifying this, you get 46.75. 46.75 pesos. 75 pesos. And this is the commission for the month. So therefore, the salesman's commission is what is this going to be? 75. Yes, believe you are okay. Science class, learning brought to the step. So we quickly move to question number 4. Question number 4. Fred is X minus 1 years old now. So Fred's age is X minus 1 years. Now how old was he 4 years ago? So his age 4 years ago. Now if I ask you, how old are you? Say I'm 10 years. So if I should ask you, in 4 years ago, or last 4 years, how old were you? Meaning subtract 4 from the age. So if you are 10 now, meaning last 4 years, you were 6 years, right? Last 5 years, if you are 20 years now, meaning you were 15 years back then. So we simply would subtract 4 from his age. And here, Fred's age is not given in value form, but in a term form or in an expression, that is x minus 1. So his age will be 4 years ago will be x, his age, and then we subtract 4 from it. And we can simplify this. X minus 1 minus 4. So x minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. Negative integers. Okay. I. How old will we be 8 years from now? 8 years to come. So if you are 10 years from in the next 8 years, you are 80. So you simply add 8 to existing years. So his age in 8 years' time his age 8 years time. Now his age plus 8 years. That is x minus 1 plus 8. And that will be x minus x plus 7. So you owe 1, you pay 8, you have 7. Now I'm going to find this age here. If, how old is he now? If his age in 8 years' time, what is his age in 8 years' time? This. So his age 8 years' time. That is x plus 7. That is his age in 8 years' time. Will be, this is a linear equation, word problem, meaning equal to, will be 3 times his age, 4 years, 3 multiplied by his age 4 years ago, that is x minus 5. We expand to no brackets. So 3 times x is 3x, 3 5 is 15. Okay, so we want x, so we make values of x stand at one side of the equal to sign. So let me bring this 3x to make x. So x minus 3x is equal to negative 15 minus 7. So I have negative 2x is equal to negative 15 minus 7, getting negative 22. So I have a negative 2 by negative 2. So x is equal to negative will cancel negative 2 into 22, 11. So therefore Fred is 11 years old. When we fix this into the equation, you need to get it the same as 11. 11 plus 7 is 18, right? 18. So 11. So 11 minus 5 is 6. 11 minus 5 is 6. 6, 18. So 18. Now let's go to question number 4b. The perimeter of a rectangular pool farm is 497. So the perimeter of the pool farm is 497 kilometers. The length of the farm is 2.5 times the width. 2.5 times the width. And if you want to get the length, you need to multiply the length. That is 2.5 of the length by the width. But the width is not given. So we say let x equal to width. So this is the unit, so x kilometers. Then the length will be, they are telling us that the length is 2.5 of the width, means it's going to be 2.5 x. 2.5 x. Okay. Now I says we should find the width. The width. Okay. The width. So the width is represented by x, right? Perimeter is 497. Length is 2.5 x. Now here we are going to use the idea of finding the perimeter of a rectangle. This is a rectangular pool farm. So I can do a mock-up or a sketch of this. The length being 2.5 x, the width being x kilometers, perimeter being 497 kilometers. You see? Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so perimeter is given by 2L plus 2W. Right? 2L plus 2W. Perimeter is 497. One of the length, that is 2.5x, and that's the same as 2.5x. Half. Then 2 times the weight, one of the weight is x. So 497 is equal to 2.5, 2.5 twice, that is 5x plus 2x. So 497 is equal to 7x. Divide by 7, divide by 7. So x is equal to 7 into 49, 7 and 7 into 7, 1. So therefore the weight is equal to 70 kilograms. Then let's go to the length of the farm. Length of the farm. Length of the farm is given by 2.5x. 2.5x. Where x, which is the weight, is 71 kilometers. 71 kilometers. So that is 2.5. I will change it to fraction form. That is 224 plus 1, 5. 5 over 2 times x. X is 71. 71. Okay. So let's see. I multiply 5 by 71. 5 for 1 is 5. 5 7 is 35. Divided by 2. So it gives us 177.5 kilometers. Therefore, the length is equal to 177.5